Bryonia alba, Allen's keynotes, white bryony, wild hop, family, Cucurbitaceae, is best adapted to persons of a gouty or rheumatic diathesis prone to so-called bilious attacks. Bryonia patients are irritable, inclined to be vehement and angry, dark or black hair, dark complexions, firm muscular fiber, dry, nervous, slender people. Pains, stitching, tearing, worse at night, aggravation by motion, inspiration, coughing, amelioration by absolute rest and lying on painful side, excessive dryness of mucous membranes of entire body, lips and trunk dry, parched, cracked, stool dry as if burnt, cough dry, hard racking with scanty expectoration, urine dark and scanty, great thirst. Vicarious menstruation, nosebleed when menses should appear, blood spitting or hemoptysis. Ailments from staggering, mortification, anger, violence with chilliness and coldness, after anger chilly but with head hot and face red. Complaints when warm weather sets in after cold days, from cold drinks or ice in hot weather, after taking cold or getting hot in summer, from chilling when overheated, kicks the covers off, from exposure to draught, cold wind, suppressed discharges of menses, milk, or eruption of acute exanthema. One of the chief characteristics of bryonia is aggravation from any motion and corresponding relief from absolute rest, either mental or physical. Desires things immediately which are not to be had or which when offered are refused. Children dislike to be carried or to be raised. Delirium, talks constantly about his business, desire to get out of bed and go home. Constant motion of left arm and leg. Patient cannot sit up from nausea and faintness. Great thirst for large quantities at long interval. Headache when stooping as if brain would burst through forehead from ironing, on coughing in morning after rising, or when first opening the eyes, commencing in the morning, gradually increasing until evening from constipation. Pressure as from stone at pit of the stomach relieved by eructation. Constipation, inactive, no inclination, stool large, hard, dry, dark, as if burnt on going to sea. Diarrhea during a spell of hot weather, bilious, acrid with soreness of anus like dirty water, of undigested food, from cold drinks when overheated, from fruit or sauerkraut. Aggravation in morning on moving even a hand or foot. Mammy heavy, of a stony hardness, pale but hard, hot and painful, must support the breast. Cough, dry, spasmodic, with gagging and vomiting, with stitches inside of chest, with headache as if head would fly to pieces, aggravation after eating, drinking, entering a warm room, a deep inspiration. Relations, complementary, alumina, rustox, similar to belladonna hepar for hasty speech and hasty drinking. To ranunculus in pleuritic or rheumatic pains of chest. To tilia, aching heaviness in hepatic region, amelioration lying on right side greatly, aggravation lying on left side, turning to the left causes a dragging sensation. After bryonia, alumina, calica, nux, phosphorus, rust, sulfur. Aggravation, motion, exertion, touch, cannot sit up, gets faint or sick or both. Warmth, warm, cold, suppressed discharges of any kind. Amelioration, lying specially on painful side. Pressure, rest, cold, eating cold things. Bryonia, Boric materia medica, wild hops. Acts on all serous membranes and the viscera they contain, aching in every muscle. The general character of the pain here produced is a stitching, tearing, worse by motion, better rest. These characteristic stitching pains, greatly aggravated by any motion, are found everywhere, but especially in the chest, worse pressure. Mucous membranes are all dry. The Bryennia patient is irritable, has vertigo from raising the head, oppressive headache, dry, parched lips, mouth, excessive thirst, bitter taste, sensitive epigastrium, and feeling of a stone in the stomach, stools, large, dry, hard, dry cough, rheumatic pains and swellings, dropsical effusions into synovial and serous membranes. Bryennia affects specially the constitution of robust, firm fiber and dark complexion with tendency to leanness and irritability. It prefers the right side, the evening and open air. Warm weather after cold days to manifest its action most markedly. Children dislike to be carried or raised, physical weakness, all pervading apathy, complaints apt to develop slowly. Mind, exceedingly irritable, everything puts him out of humor, delirium, wants to go home, talks of business. Head, vertigo, nausea, faintness on rising, confusion, bursting, splitting headache as if everything would be pressed out, as if hit by a hammer from within, worse from motion, stooping, opening eyes. Headache becomes seated in occiput, drawing in bones towards zygoma. Headache worse on motion even of eyeballs, frontal headache, frontal sinuses involved. Nose, frequent bleeding of nose when menses should appear, also in the morning, relieving the headache. Coryza with shooting and aching in the forehead, swelling of tip of nose, feels as if it would ulcerate when touched. Ears, oral vertigo, roaring, buzzing. Eyes, pressing, crushing, aching, pain, glaucoma, sore to touch and when moving them. Mouth, lips parched, dry, cracked, dryness of mouth, tongue and throat with excessive thirst. Tongue coated yellowish, dark brown, heavily white in gastric derangement. Bitter taste, burning in lower lip in old smokers. Lips swollen, dry, black and cracked. Throat, dryness, sticking on swallowing, scrapped and constricted. Tough mucus in larynx and trachea, loosened only after much hawking, worse coming into warm room. Stomach, nausea and faintness when rising up, abnormal hunger, loss of taste, thirst for large draughts, vomiting of bile and water immediately after eating. Worse, warm drinks which are vomited, stomach sensitive to touch, pressure in stomach after eating as of a stone. Soreness in stomach when coughing, dyspeptic ailments during summer heat, sensitiveness of epigastrium to touch. Abdomen, liver region swollen, sore, tensive, burning pain, stitches, worse, pressure, coughing, breathing, tenderness of abdominal walls. Stool, constipation, stools hard, dry, as if burnt, seem too large. Stools brown, thick, bloody, worse in morning from moving in hot weather after being heated from cold drinks, every spell of hot weather. Urine, red, brown like beer, scanty, hot. Female, menses too early, too profuse, worse from motion, with tearing pains in legs, suppressed with vicarious discharge or splitting headache, stitching pains in ovaries on taking a deep inspiration, very sensitive to touch, pain in right ovary as if torn, extending to thigh, milk fever, pain in breast at menstrual period, breast hot and painful, hard. Abscess of mammary, frequent bleeding of nose at appearance of menses, menstrual irregularities with gastric symptoms, ovaritis, intermenstrual pain with great abdominal and pelvic soreness. Respiratory. Soreness in larynx and trachea, hoarseness worse in open air, dry, hacking, cough from irritation in upper trachea, cough dry at night, must sit up, worse after eating or drinking, with vomiting, with stitches in chest and expectoration of rust-colored sputa. Frequent desire to take a long breath, must expand lungs, difficult quick respiration, worse every movement, caused by stitches in chest, cough with feeling as if chest would fly to pieces, presses his head on sternum, must support chest, Cropus and pleuropneumonia, expectoration, brick shade, tough and falls like lumps of jelly. Tough mucus in trachea loosened only with much hawking. Coming into warm room excites cough. Heaviness beneath the sternum extending towards the right shoulder. Cough worse by going into warm room, stitches in cardiac region, angina pectoris. Back, painful stiffness in nape of neck, stitches and stiffness in small of back from hard water and sudden changes of weather. Extremities, knees stiff and painful, hot swelling of feet, joints red, swollen, hot, with stitches and tearing, worse on least movement. Every spot is painful on pressure, constant motion of left arm and leg. Skin, yellow, pale, swollen, dropsical, hot and painful, seborrhea, hair very greasy. Sleep, drowsy, starting when falling asleep, delirium, busy with business matters and what he had read. Fever, pulse full, hard, tense and quick. Chill with external coldness, dry cough, stitches, internal heat, sour sweet after slight exertion, easy profuse perspiration, rheumatic and typhoid marked by gastrohepatic complications. Modalities: worse, warmth, any motion, morning, eating, hot weather, exertion, touch. Cannot sit up, gets faint and sick. Better lying on painful side, pressure, rest, cold things. Relationship: complementary Elisibrum, a Mexican drug, fever with catarrhal symptoms, gastric and typhoid fever symptoms. Antidotes: aconite, chamomilla, nux. Compare Calimur, Telia. Dose: 1st to 12th attenuation.